check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 9 minutes and 35 seconds, breaking down all the gold and silver news. We're going to watch the Shanghai Futures Exchange open up and push back after the COMEX has been attacked all day. That's right, there was another glitch from the COMEX. Smash that like button, buckle up and share the stream. I did just tweet it on X if you can go like and retweet that. Ladies and gentlemen, we're only 30 likes from 100. Buckle up, grab a beverage. We're going to be live here in 9 minutes and 10 seconds.
Hotel room scale on the desk, counting every ounce I've kept. Airplane windows, dawn and dusk, dreaming about the next big chest. Desert markets, ocean ports, whispers in a hidden court, map lines, red ink, folded corners, X mark secrets in the borders.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 7 minutes and 55 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver of the news today. And boy, there's some doozies. We're going to be watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange open up live, helping you read the tea leaves, answering your questions. Smash the like button if you're ready. 7 minutes and 40 seconds away here.
In a coastal town, rusty safe getting dragged out now. Ancient coins in a dusty tray. Shine them up, watch the years fall away. Border trains through the midnight haze. Customs line, keep the nerves in place. Secret pockets sewn inside my coat. Every bar, another little vote.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Please smash that like button if you're ready. Just 15 away from 100. We're going to be watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange market open up. That's right, the Chinese market. We're going to see what's going to happen when that opens up here live, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be covering the breaking gold and silver news. The COMEX did pull a fast one on us today. They had another air quote glitch, but that ain't going to stop us. As a matter of fact, I thank the COMEX for that glitch so I can stack even more, because I know the fundamentals haven't changed. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got the intestinal fortitude to see the way through. Who's got it as well? Who's going to be dancing with me in the streets? I'm still stacking. The question is, you are. Who's with me, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Smash the like button, share the stream, share the X post. It's about to go down.
Voices rise like a tidal wall.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 5 minutes away from being live. Please smash the like button. Please share the stream. We're only 5 likes away from 100. I'm going to be covering the breaking gold and silver of the news today, or the breaking gold and silver news of today. There we go. Helping you read the tea leaves. And boy, oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, do I have some breaking news for you this evening. We're going to be watching Shanghai open back up and see what the COMEX does live. Smash the like button if you're ready. We'll be live in just 5 minutes. Remember, if you like this music, you can listen to it any time or day on Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Spotify, iTunes, and everywhere. Just search International Stackers, the artist. We're going to be live in 4 minutes and 50 seconds. This song's called Chasing That Mill, M-I-L-L. It's not milk. It's not milk. It's mill. But tell me in chat what you hear. I'm wondering. Is it like Laurel and Yanni? Let me know what you hear.
Watch it grow, giveaways for all, feel the thrill, international stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find, treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore, stack up wealth and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to be live. It is about to go down. We're going to be covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. And I just turned up my voice audio a little bit more. Is that better? Put it better in chat if it is.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International, stack 'em that mill. So hit that flow, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 3 minutes and 15 seconds away from being live. Smash the like button, share the stream. I'm going to be covering all the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to look at the COMEX charts. We're going to watch Shanghai open up together. 3 minutes away. Who's ready?
That's up, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best.
Better yet, who needs soup?
Stacker, stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase.
Hey, we got Sicilian Stacker in the chat. You better not be chatting and driving, Sicilian. Please drive safe home from work. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 2 minutes away. Let's get it popping. If you're ready, drop a crab in chat. We're going to have a crab dance. Crab, C-R-A-B, not C-R-A-P. I better not see any poop emojis. Let's go. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 1 minute and 45 seconds away from being live. Smash the like button, share the stream. Let's get it. Who's ready for the mega ga? Oh, it is a party, Hermit Camper. It's a party, all right. The chat is flooded with poop. Oh, no. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just about 1 minute. This is your 1 minute warning. Smash the like button, share the stream. It's about to go down. Do you want crab migration? Do you want old school? Do you want the little kid intro? Let me know right now.
We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Your claws up in the sky.
40 seconds, hurry.
Stacker, he's our guy. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's get it.
Dance with me.
Here we go. We're going to migrate. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to migrate.
Dance with me.
We're going to migrate.
Dance with me.
Here we go.
Dance with me.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical Stacker Crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.
Fine International Stacker.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Over 2,300 videos on gold and silver around the world. I know you love the live streams, but do not sleep on these full-length videos. They're doozies. They're great. And ladies and gentlemen, wow, oh wow, what a crazy day today. Not long ago, let me zoom out a little bit here. Let me zoom out. Not long ago, we were here.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
And then we got to here.
It's science.
And then we just opened at 6 p.m. We got a SmackDown, but now it looks like we're starting to get a formation that you'll only hear about on this channel, the DTB. I never say the name and loud. I only say it on low breath. The Devil's Teabag. We got that forming here, and we're on a green candle, 64.78 on silver. Remember, the COMEX opened back here at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Unless there's glitches and overheating, the COMEX runs every day, 23 hours a day. It's only closed from 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But we did have something happen today with the COMEX that we're going to be covering here shortly. Gold, a similar story. It's been smashed. It's gone up. It's gone down. We've had gaps, and now we find ourselves here. Again, this arrow is where it just reopened back up at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to be seeing what happens here. And, guys, we are just 20 minutes away from the big La Bamba, the Shanghai Futures Exchange from opening. That's why I pushed the stream a little later, because I'm like, this is going to be boring for everybody, but maybe not when this puppy opens up right here in just 19 minutes and 15 seconds. And in a little bit, we're going to come back to this chart, and I'm going to be asking you if you're team green, if you think we're gapping up, if you're team red, if you think we're gapping down. And at that time, we will do a little chart analysis, and we'll see who's right. We're sitting at 64.61 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold, so a slight tick up from a recent low of about 62. So we're going to be watching these charts here, but I got some breaking gold and silver news to go to. Gold miners got trashed today. Ouch, says Drano. Looks like another good opportunity to add to my position. So I might be doing. Okay, I got to switch this song, guys. How's the level of the background music? Is it perfect? Is it bad? Is it like you can hear it, but it's not too loud? Let me know if it's perfect. Okay. Don't put any questions right now in chat. I'm gonna be coming back to the charts. When I come back to the charts, put your questions in chat. Right now, I'm gonna be covering the breaking gold and silver news, and I'm not gonna be seeing them. Your questions. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Backyard Bullion's mint error he has on eBay is right now at $2,343.03 with only 4 days left. I sold mine for around $1,100-ish. Maybe I should have put it on eBay, but I know some other ones are coming on eBay. So if there's any U.S. people out there that want it, I'll let you know when those auctions come out. I know some people that are going to be putting them out. But yeah, I still feel like I did well, $1,100, considering I paid like $130 or $40 for it. Hey, I'll take that win all day long. I'll take that win all day long, and I'll put it into more silver. Okay, the first piece of breaking news here. The White House just made a major quantum move, ladies and gentlemen, and it's bullish for gold and silver. President Trump signed new executive actions to accelerate U.S. leadership in quantum computing and innovation. This push will require massive investment in advanced technology, infrastructure, and specialized materials, including silver and gold, which are critical for high-performance electronics, semiconductors, and quantum systems. Important for stackers, quantum computing is expected to eventually break current encryption methods used by many cryptocurrencies. Not all. Some are immune to it, some are working on fixes, but it is a danger to cryptocurrency. This adds another layer of long-term industrial demand for physical gold and silver. While the world races toward more complex digital systems, physical precious metals remain one of the few assets that exist outside the digital grid. Here it is. Look at this. Quantumania. And the White House put out all kinds of posts. Look at this. Let me show you. It was crazy. Look at algae. Let's see here. This one, Quantumania. There was a lot. Last night there was one. It was going crazy. Anyways, so that's the first piece of breaking news there. Next piece of breaking news here. Major breaking. Major breaking here. Another major glitch hits the COMEX. Trading on the world's largest derivatives exchange, CME COMEX, was disrupted today due to a platform, I'm going to do air quotes, you can't see me, disconnects. This is the latest in a series of technical glitches this year affecting metals and energy markets. When the system that controls gold and silver pricing keeps breaking, it raises serious questions. Now, guys, if you go to my website, first you should, because you could see the live metals price anytime, day or night. You got gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, and gold to silver ratio. It's there. You can see the markets that are open and closed. But if you go right here to news and blog, if you go here to news and blog and go down here, hold up. There's one here on the COMEX glitches. I've got a whole timeline of all the glitches. Hold up, where was it? Gold price, crypto, silver price. These are all my articles, guys. Go check them out. I think you'll like them. I've got one in here somewhere that talks about all the COMEX. Oh, here it is. Here it is, right here. Right here. So I'm going to drop this link in chat right now for you guys to review. But here's history on COMEX glitches. Let me, G-O-I-T-C. I'm going to put that in chat right now for you guys to go check out. Okay, so that's that piece of news. Yet another technical glitch, technical issue on the COMEX. Smart money doesn't panic on dips, ladies. Oh, thank you so much, William Posey. William Posey just gifted a membership, and that went to Mathediculous Brighticus. Congratulations. Say thank you to William Posey for your custom and channel membership and your new custom channel member emojis. And the next time I do a war room, I'll see you in there. Guys, remember, I do member-only live streams here on YouTube. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. I did one this morning. The next will be Friday evening. Every week I do one in the morning, one in the evening. Okay. Smart money panic on debt. Wait, here we go. Let me try that again. Smart money doesn't panic on dips. They accumulate. While retail gets scared by red candles, the biggest buyers, China's central banks, institutions, see cheap legacy assets and load up. The great accumulation of physical gold and silver is well underway. Crustacean Nation, are you using these dips to stack more physical metal? Let me know. This is in response to Josh Farrer. This is the, no, Silver Serpents, you must be fully clothed in the war room. Come on. Okay. So Josh Farrer, he's the CEO of Scottsdale. He moves millions and millions and millions every year of gold and silver. And here's what he had to say. When you are able to buy a legacy asset a bit cheaper, aka right now with gold and silver, you don't get upset. Just watch the biggest buyers, China, central banks, etc., what they will be doing with gold and silver at these levels. Accumulation of the alpha assets is on. Wow. And there it is. Greg in chat is asking, who is unshaken? If you're unshaken, put unshaken in chat right now. Here's the next piece of fun news. Sometimes I like to do fun news for you. So here's a piece of fun news. Viking coins in Denmark were minted with Islamic silver. Archaeologists just confirmed that silver coins found in Denmark from the Viking era were made using silver that originated from the Islamic world. This is more proof that silver has been used as trusted real money across vastly different civilizations and continents for over 1,000 years, long before modern fiat currencies existed. Makes you wonder if any of the coins or bars you hold, gold or silver, were melted down from ancient treasure. Here's the full article on it. But I just thought that was a really cool story, and that's something the haters a lot of times will say about gold and silver. They'll say it's a thing of the past. It's an ancient relic. Well, it is a thing of the past. These are Roman silver denarius I'm putting here. I mean, so technically it's a thing of the past, but to me, that's what makes it so strong. That's what makes it so desirable. thousands of years of history. And thank you so much to the Pumpa, for getting a membership. That went to 4 Loco 24 ounce. Wow. Make sure you say thank you to the Pumpa and check out your new custom channel member emojis. That is mega. So that's a fun little story there. Next piece of breaking news here. Ladies and gentlemen, Robert Kiyosaki, who is known as Rich Man Poor Dad, predicts $200 silver, $27,000 gold. The Rich Dad Poor Dad author is out with another bold forecast. He believes America's exploding debt, nonstop money printing, and collapsing dollar purchasing power will send precious metals dramatically higher. His bull case, unsustainable U.S. debt spiral, contained fiat currency debasement are continued, and growing global demand for hard assets outside the banking system. Whether you agree with his extreme targets or not, the direction is clear. More investors and institutions are turning to physical gold and silver. I do not see a time frame with his prediction, ladies and gentlemen, but if he's talking about this happening this year, for me, it's far too bullish. But if it happens, I'll be dancing in the streets. But again, I think it's far too bullish. If you want to read more about it here from the street, make sure you click on the article there. You can read more. Guys, in all my posts, I always try to put stuff where you can read more. Breaking, mainstream media says silver could outperform gold this summer. MSM is now openly discussing what many stackers have been saying for months and years, really. Silver may be set up for a stronger rally than gold as precious metals bull market continues. Reasons highlighted: strong industrial demand, persistent supply deficits, higher volatility, bigger upside potential. While gold remains the ultimate monetary metal, silver's dual role as both industrial and monetary asset could give it additional leverage in a bull market. Here's the article here from CBS if you want to read it. But Crustacean Nation, silver outperforming gold this summer. Are you positioned more heavily in silver or stacking mostly gold? Put silver or gold in chat right now. I'm focused mostly on silver right now. I am stacking both. But I wonder what you guys, are you stacking only silver over only gold or more of one or the other? Let me know. Guys, major one here. We've got resource war escalation. China expands export controls on U.S. firms. Beijing just added more American companies, including key rare earth minerals players, to the export control list, meaning they're trying to control it. Why this matters for gold and silver stackers: global race for strategic resources is intensifying. That's all the talk about price floors for silver, ladies and gentlemen. Geopolitical tensions keep rising. Nations prioritizing resource security and hard assets. Supply chain vulnerabilities are becoming impossible to ignore. Gold and silver don't depend on any foreign government for export license or political relationship. In an increasingly fragmented world, physical precious metals you personally control become more and more valuable as true strategic reserves. And ladies and gentlemen, remember, as Lynette Zhang says, shields are made with metal, physical gold, and silver. And I'm happy to announce that Lynette Zhang is going to be on the channel July 22nd, on the evening show on July 22nd. This coming week, guys, on the 25th, we're going to have Ron from Ron's Basement on. And then the 28th, which I believe is Sunday, I believe is the 28th, we're going to have Jake from Hero Bullion, the CEO, back on. So don't miss those. But I thought this was an important story to share with you guys about the battle for rare earths. And look at this. And ladies and gentlemen, we got 600 people on, and we're only 23 likes away from 200. I know we can certainly do that. Please smash the like button. The next 23 people to do it are going to get good luck for 15 years.
It's science.
Major consolidation in historic Comstock District, ladies and gentlemen. Ever heard of the Comstock Lode? Mackay Gold and Silver is acquiring Comstock Inc.'s Nevada mining assets in a deal valued of over $45 million. This marks a major consolidation in the legendary Comstock Gold and Silver District, one of the most historically important silver regions in the United States. The district has now seen some of its key land and resource positions brought under new ownership after 167 years in the mining industry. Wow. And guys, we are so close to a big show. We only need 11 more subscribers for the next big show. If we hit 69,200, ladies and gentlemen, we will do the big show. And some say you haven't lived unless you've seen the big show. And if that's not enough for you, I got a treasure chest over here. It's full of over 95 ounces of premium silver, like this limited edition 10-ounce America 250th bar from Hero Bullion. Only 1,776 of these minted, ladies and gentlemen. And this is just one of the many prizes in here with over 95 ounces of silver, like 50 ounces of copper. We've got gold in here. It's going to be absolutely mega. And all you got to do is subscribe, show up, turn on those notifications, and have fun in the party. And thank you, Sublime Mad Dog, for those jewels. I really do appreciate it. Here's another big one for today. Breaking: gold advocate Alan Greenspan dies at 100. Alan Greenspan served as the chairman of the Federal Reserve from 1987 to 2006, one of the longest and most influential tenures in U.S. central banking history. Before becoming Fed chair, and guys, many stackers don't know this, before becoming Fed chair, Greenspan was a strong advocate for sound money. In his famous 1966 essay, Gold and Economic Freedom, he argued that gold helps protect citizens from government overreach, deficit spending, and currency debasement. Now, here's something that I thought was promising. New Fed chair Kevin Warsh, who served under Greenspan, has often praised him, including during his swearing-in ceremony, for his understanding in monetary history. Greenspan also once stated, "Gold is a currency. It is the ultimate form of payment in the world." And he also spoke positively of silver in 2014. Intrinsic currencies like gold and silver, for example, are acceptable without a third-party guarantee. While Greenspan's policies as Fed chair remain debated, his writings and comments on gold continue to resonate with many investors and stackers today. RIP, there's that. And by putting that out, I'm not saying I agreed with all his policies. I didn't agree with a lot of them, but I loved his stance on gold and silver, and I thought that was important to share with you guys. Here's a big one from Peter Spina. Hong Kong is pulling in large gold bars ahead of clearing at launch, ladies and gentlemen. While the city plans to start by using the London Gold delivery system, or goods delivery system, its future plans are still to be decided according to sources. At least 4 of the 11 banks participating in Hong Kong's new gold clearing system are importing large bullion bars in preparation for the mechanism's planned to launch in July. Traders are receiving orders from some of the clearing banks to move 400-ounce gold bars into the city. So, ladies and gentlemen, what's it going to mean? I don't know. But don't forget, I believe it was it December 18th or December 16th? We got the report that I covered that JP Morgan Chase moved their trading desk to Singapore. Buckle up. Okay. We're good there. I got a new truck for you, United States of America. Nice variable. Thank you for that. Variable, thank you for putting out the live stream. Thank you, Blue Shadow and Shotgun Susie, for putting out the live stream, and also Sicilian. Future Moto says mostly silver at this point, 96 uses of silver. I believe that there's more than 101 actually, Future. And Future Moto saying stack it up high like it's 1999. Stack it up, watch it grow. Strength and diamond claws. It's science. Whoa.
It's science.
And I think we're almost caught up here. We're about to go to the charts. Cash has always been trash, says Michael. I agree with you, Michael. Look at A-Toning Phoenix. And yes, I've been buying every day since I started stacking without reservations. Some people read the tea leaves, others a crystal ball, and even call Mrs. Cleo. Do you guys remember Mrs. Cleo? Me, I saw the sign like Ace of Base, and it opened up my eyes. He crumpled up some fiat currency there. That's A-Toning Phoenix. Tomorrow's dip is yesterday's high and vice versa. Financial advice: only spend what one is willing to lose without risks. There are zero rewards. Know your limits. If not, I'll save you a seat next to me on Skid Row, or the champagne bar. Could go either way. Yeah. Guys, always trade within your means for sure. Always trade within your means for sure. And ladies and gentlemen, we are starting to get a big increase here. Look at this. We're starting to get a completion of a DTB on silver and gold. And ladies and gentlemen, no Soup John lost soup, but John just got his own soup.
What the hell?
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John!
But John got soup. Wow, John just got his own soup. Thank you so much, John, for the support. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm going to ask you right now, this market's about to open in a minute and 50 seconds. Are we gapping up or are we gapping down? 72.67. So 5. So we're at a $7. We're at a $7 gap right now between the West and the East, and we are moving positive. Are you team green? Are we going to have a baby gap? Do you guys think we're going to have a baby gap or up or down? Put a BGC emoji in chat or team green. If you're team green, put a BRC emoji or team red. Oh, the John Got Soup song. You guys want the John Got Soup song? This one?
Open the kitchen. We've got hungry crustaceans. John got soup, yeah. But how about you?
How about you? And ladies and gentlemen, we have a 1 minute warning for the market open. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Are you team green or team red? Let me know ASAP. I think we might get a baby gap up. I think we may get a little baby gap up. If I'm wrong, boy, is my face going to be red. I don't know. It's slowing down a little. It's slow. Don't turn red on me. Don't turn red on me there. Let's see what happens here. 30 seconds. What do you guys think? Put it in chat quick. What do you guys think? Put it in chat. 20 seconds. Here we go. We're at 10 seconds. I'm going to be counting it down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's a gap down. Oh, my face is red. But it's a gap down to an immediate BGC here. It's a gap down to an immediate BGC. Anyone who guessed gap down, you're going to get good luck for 15 minutes and 45 seconds.
It's science.
So we'll see how that luck works out. And we did get a gap down, but it looks like we're about to fill that gap, which is great because we love our gap song. Let's see here. Let's just put it here. Come on, gap song. We want the gap song. That is for sure. Wow. And we're going to see how this shakes out here in the next few minutes. And look at this. We just pushed higher here. Okay, we just made a trading session high with that spike on silver, and we made a trading session high as well with gold on that spike. So we're going to see how this continues to unfold here. This could get interesting, ladies and gentlemen. So smash that like button if you're having fun. We got 600 people on, and we're only 52 likes away from 300. I know we could do it. Keep smashing that like button. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate it. Now, let me see here. Let me see here. Hold up. If I offered you this peace dollar for $25, who would want to buy it? For 25 bucks, who would want to buy this peace dollar? And better yet, what if I threw in this 999 ounce of silver for only 30? Who would want to buy this deal that's too good to be true? Well, I hope you wouldn't, because these are both fake. Fits are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American silver eagle real? Look at this 90% walking Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the crustacean nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the Pocket Pinger. You get the stick. You get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too, so thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I feel so strongly about that. Many have been saved by the Pocket Pinger. Hoya Guru just gifted a membership. Thank you so much. And that went to John. Wow, John BP, another John Got Soup. Congratulations. Say thank you to Hoya Guru. And poor Rick Harrison, ladies and gentlemen. Poor Rick Harrison is still going hungry. Poor Rick Harrison. Wow. Okay, guys, we're about to be in the positive territory for silver on this trading session. We're already in the positive territory for gold. Look, the ratio starting to come back down, 64.41 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. We're going to see what materializes here. Let's go back to here. See if I caught up in all the comments. Hold up. Thank you for that, Stock. Happy Father's Day to all. I hear silver coming. Beware, says Stock Stacker. Thank you for that. Oh, thank you, Dan, for putting it out. Thank you for saying Horde Pumper variable. Oh, my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Now you have to add Q for Quantum to the list of reasons highlighted, says Atonian. Thank you so much. Wow. Wow. Guys, Steed Stacker, and he has a really cool crab emoji for his, look at that. He's got a crab. That's sick. He just gifted 5 memberships. Those went to the Gold Truth. Rubber Band Man, Suzak for life, Cole, and Josh. Congratulations. Say thank you to Steed Stacker. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I'll be seeing all the channel members in the War Room. Friday evening is the next one. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. Wow. Okay, we are getting smashed right now in Shanghai. Let's see what happens here. COMEX all is well on gold and silver. It's a smash. Look at the volume on that. Look at the volume on that. Wow. Look at that volume that's volume. Wow. Guys, there's only one thing we could do in a situation like
I'm gonna
this.
try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
I'm telling you, that thing was massive. Now, oh my goodness! Chris Simic just gifted 10 international stacker memberships. It went to John, Steve, Mag, Jerry. It went to Bu. It went to Original Fac. It went to Eric. It went to Gecko. It went to Gold Dragon. It went to G Cloud. I hate to say it. No soup for Rick. Now remember, whoever gets Rick Harrison's soup is going to get this bounty. And so far in the bounty, we have the No Soup for You sticker. We've got this pretty cool gold Odin bar in here from Germanium Mint. That's in there. This is silver plated soup ladle. And we've also got a pretty cool Germanium Mint copper round. But how about we do something special? How about we do something special here? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. What should I do? Hold up, hold up, hold up. I'm feeling crazy. I'm feeling crazy. You know what I might throw into this bounty box? This is a piece of silver, Ferdinand 1, that I bought in the Czech Republic. And there is a video out there at the coin show. This is silver. I'm going to put that in there. This is like old. This is old. Let me show it on the coin scope. This is old. 1563. Look at that. 1563. The year 1563. That's going in there for whoever gets Rick Soup. That's pretty sick. And thank you so much, Variable Pumper, for gifting a membership. That went to David. Congratulations, David. Check out the new custom channel member emojis you just got. I'm not kidding. I went crazy. I'm not kidding. Chris Simic says, was thinking about it instead of the Rolo going to the Mega Ga. It is now officially in play for Soup Bounty. Whoa. Wait, was thinking about it instead of the Rolo going to the... Oh, you want to put it in the Soup Bounty. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, Chris Simic is sending his Rolo when he gets it. We just released these with Reckless Metals. And guys, if you got one and you have not got an email yet from Reckless Metals, check your spam filter. Chris Simic is going to donate one of these for the bounty. Wow. Thank you, Chris Simic. Everyone say thank you. Typo on website detected. Ooh. Okay, guys, if you want to find out about Soup and all the channel lore, go channel lore. And let's go down here. He said he found a typo on the Soup for John. Oh. Days since John got Soup. Okay. It's been 31 days since he got Soup. Thank you for that. Blue Shadow, I'll try to remember to fix that. Variable Pumper says, no, it's for Rick. Cooling Electronics in Space at Science says, what's it to you? Got my email and paid. That's awesome, my ounces. Yeah, if you're waiting on an email from Reckless Metals, check your spam filter ASAP. Because if he doesn't hear from you for a long time, that means you're going to lose it. And I don't want any of you guys that think you got it to lose it because the email went to the spam. That's lame. That would be lame. I can't believe I went crazy and threw that coin in there. That thing's mega. Just got the 2025 Mexico Anniversary 2 ounce for 300, says Achilles Sword. Congratulations. That's mega. Well, Variable Pumper says Jonathan, he wants him to be a Diamond Claw. Whoa. Silver Fox Stacker says, can't wait to see my 3 Rolos. And you guys, I want to thank all the channel members. I want to thank all the Diamond Claw members. I just updated this. It's up to date. So thank you to all members, especially Diamond Claws. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do, no matter what level you are. And I appreciate it so much. The question for everyone in chat right now is, who has Diamond Claws?
Diamond Claws!
Now you see, this is my full-time job. So anytime you super chat, you gift jewels, you become a member, anytime you gift a membership, it enables me to do this. Spending all day in the trenches, doing the research for you guys, bringing you guys cool content, helping you read the tea leaves. And from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it so much. There's no other nation I'd rather be chilling with right now than the Crustacean Nation. I added silver to International Stacker, says 525 Medic. Whoa. What happened to some of the gold miners today? Huge buying opportunity. What was that about? Silver and gold were getting slammed, so it's just an opportunity for them to get slammed as well. If you guys want to know what I'm invested in, you can click resources. Now, I didn't buy a single paper ounce of silver until I owned close to 4,000. But if you go to my website, click resources, you scroll down. This is every single company I'm invested in today. And look, they're all down between 0.23% and 3%. Oh, look at that. Gladiator's up 0.5%. Look at that. Hekla's up a little bit. Let's see here. This is everything I'm in. 2 of them are uranium plays. I have 1 copper play, I believe. Yeah, so that's what I'm in. So if you ever want to see that, but remember, I'm not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. And in the paper market, you can lose everything. Companies can go bankrupt. But silver in your hand, there's zero counterparty risk. That's why we love physical gold and silver, and that's why I stacked so much till I got in the paper market. This can't be margin called. This can't be liquidated. This can't be hacked. If every mining company goes out of business, I still have this 100 ounces of silver in my hand. That's why they say silver and gold have zero counterparty risk. Silver Fox says, myself and a lot of others really appreciate you too. Thank you for all you do. My pleasure. My pleasure, Silver Fox. Appreciate it. Wow. Men, hold the course on your mining stocks, says Hermit. Dollar cost average. The rare earths are going to make us rich. No, I'm definitely dollar cost averaging. Yeah, I agree with you. Just opportunities. These are blessings given to us by the big bankers, honestly. Yep, physical's where it's at, says Drano. You the best, IS. Thank you, Barbara. And guys, I really want to close this gap. I want to play the gap song. Come on. Okay, let's go back to here. Well, look at this. Stock Stacker scene, we got this. It appears to be a manatee with a crustacean drinking the salty clam. That's funny. All right, let's see what's. Oh, wait. Do you know where silver comes from? Currencies that transcend borders and cultures throughout the ages. Thank you for that, Atonian Phoenix. Okay, let's go over to here. Let's see the breaking gold and silver news. Okay. Bald Money Guy, this headline might fool you into thinking Wall Street was on the ground floor for the move up in metals. They weren't. They didn't believe the gold breakout above 2,000 and didn't start participating until mid-2025. They'll be back. Late to the party again. It says Bald Money Guy. Ralph Ramsey says, Reckless said all shipping labels printed, too late for spam mill. Going to the post office tomorrow. I'm sure there's some stragglers in there somewhere. Jeff Stout said, what happened to the cork toppers? Well, it's funny you asked that, Jeff Stout. It's funny you asked that, Jeff Stout. Because the first batch of them are literally coming to me in the mail tomorrow. Here's the first batch of the cork tops coming in the mail to me tomorrow. It's hard to see it because it's on my phone. But look at those bad boys. They're in the mail, ladies and gentlemen. And what that is not everybody was able to get a cork. And these puppies were not cheap either. So SGT Stacking, we basically poured just the top part of the corks. So it's the same design, but just the top part of the cork between like 1 to 2 ounces. And those are coming in soon. And I will devise a way to give people an opportunity to pick one of those up if you weren't able to get the full cork. All countries that have been selling gold to buy oil will soon be selling everything else to buy gold, says Make Gold Great. And look at this. President Trump has signed 2 executive orders to accelerate U.S. innovation, quantum innovation, and strengthen national security. I went over earlier why I believe that's bullish for gold and silver. I am on the 250 Rolo hold for non-payment list. The more that don't pay, the greater the chance I get one as well, says Robert. My claws are crossed for you, Robert. So look at this from MBA Economics. Healthy daily increase in open interest for $20,000 gold call options at the COMEX for December expiration. Surely they don't have insider information about gold skyrocketing into the end of the year, would they? Definitely nothing to do with gold revaluation or bonds in July, that's for sure. So look at this. There's 10,800 call options for $10,000 gold, 25,700 for $15,000, 28,200 for $20,000 call options on silver. Wait, is it? No, on gold. I'm sorry, on gold. On gold. That is crazy. Is this just a shot in the dark lottery ticket, or do people know something? I don't know. And look at this. Hero Bullion, no better way, no better time than the present. Only 1,776 made. Design and poured right here at our Texas facility. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Hero Bullion is a proud sponsor of this channel. Pick up their starter pack here. Right now, it's only $323.26 shipped free to your door. You can only buy it once, but even if you've been a customer for years but you've never bought this, they will let you buy it. 5 premium ounces at spot. Look at those radial security lines. But there's only 1,776 of these. It's only $1.49 over spot. You got the 10 ounces, you got the 5 ounces. The copper's sold out. There's only 301 of these 10-ounce bars left, ladies and gentlemen. If you want one, you're going to need to act fast. I'm looking for any breaking gold and silver news for you guys. Okay, let's go back to here. We are getting a breakdown in the market here. And guys, my throat is kind of sore, so I don't want to blow it out for tomorrow morning stream. Remember, we're being driven largely by headlines, not technicals, not fundamentals. The majority of the driving of our market is headlines. So we're going to have to keep watching what's happening with Iran. We had some good news earlier today with the vice president. We'll see what happens. We're going to keep watching it with bated breath, trying not to become the bait. Future Motive says, decades-long fight against the U.S. Mint's management of Silver Eagle's program has finally come to an absurd head. Yeah, they are trying to shake you out, Drano. Do not be shaken out, ladies and gentlemen. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. I'm trying to see what other stackers are live this evening. Hey, International Stackers Live. Do you guys like the thumbnail? The bankers are trying to stop liquid silver from coming out. I thought that was a good one. Okay, I'm not seeing any stackers live. Are you guys? I'm not. Okay. And again, thank you so much, guys, for gifting all the memberships. Tomorrow, I hope to have the new soup. I'm going to have this song fixed.
We've got hungry crust.
And this
Sir,
one.
I want some more.
I'm going to have both of those fixed tomorrow evening. Not for the morning, but for the evening. So I'm going to be working on those. I did want to try to crab raid somebody. For anyone watching the bricks and minifigs story, brick by brick, I stand in solidarity. Yeah, I don't see any gold and silver channels. If you guys know any gold and silver channels that are live, let me know right now. My friends aren't live tonight. Monday Night Metals is not live right now, says Silver Serpents. I didn't realize West Texas was wearing fake teeth. That freaked me. Yeah, those were fake, Drano. That's funny. Guys, we got Reckless Metals in the house. Reckless Metals is super cool. He's the one that did this. We just did this collab. How sick is this collab? Once it went public on his live stream, it sold out in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Wow. Guys, and we got a big attack on silver and gold right now. Big.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
We keep watching that. Is Shanghai going to go sub 70? That's what the slippery little salamanders want, I guarantee it. We'll watch that. I'm trying to get Mr. Beast to do a show with all you silver pumpers, says Variable. Well, I'll do it with him. Let me know. Guys, Variable says pumpers in a good way. He's a silver stacker himself. He's not on the attack. Check out these crab rounds. It says Sublime. Whoa. Look at these crabbers. Wow. That's cool. Thank you, Sublime. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm going to save my throw. And odds are when I log off, silver's going to bounce back. That seems to always happen. So thank you, everybody, so much. Please smash the like button on your way out. I'll see you in the morning at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be there or be square. CYO. Oh, BH Customs is live. Hold up. We'll crab raid BH Customs. Thank you. We'll crab raid BH Customs. Just drop crabs in the chat. And make sure you smash the like button. Good. They make silver and gold products there live, so that's going to be fun. Let me just fix that. Hold up. Take 10 seconds here. Thank you, whoever said that last minute there. Okay. See you all in the morning. I guess I'll say CYOTino. Catch ya on the next one.
Chrome in the moon, your vault feels thin. We came for the shine and we came to win. We are taking your silver. Hey, give it up now. We are taking your silver.
never going to financially recover from this.